simple rice salad today on Chef Ricardo salad bar and juice bar channel. Alright, I got some rice left over, but also I have some chicken, which I make some chicken, and I have the sauce of the chicken left over and I want to make something with it. So this is this with the sauce of the chicken is got like peppers and spring onion and all these things inside of it, and I said I want to mix it up with the rice to see exactly what's gonna happen. You guys can do this at home, you know what I mean? Very easy recipe. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, mix up everything together like this. So basically, instead of the rice gonna get really dry, then the rice gonna bring in a lovely soft texture to it, you know what I mean? Simple. I'm going to put some red onion inside of it. Just put in roughly about a medium size red onion. Let's give it a lovely mixture. That is fantastic. I'm gonna just chop up a small tomato inside of it. That's I love tomato. So basically I'm just gonna bring this to lunch, because it's just some leftover rice and the chicken which I have. I have a few pieces of chicken inside of it with the gravy, just to make the rice a little bit more moisture, you know. Lovely. Put a little bit of black pepper. A lot of people like rice salad, but me personally, I love my rice salad. Alright? So all I'm going to do now is get some baby spinach and a simple cut up some baby spinach to it to, you know what I mean, balance it off with a little bit of greenness inside of it. Lovely. And don't get me wrong, you can put celery, a lot more stuff inside of it, but I'm just simply saying this is what you can do if you're at home, feel bored and don't have anything to do. Simple little rice salad. Look at that. If you're at home and feel bored and want something to do, that come in really handy for you guys, honestly. Simple recipe, rice salad. You guys can make this at home. Leftover rice, you know what I mean, little bit of chicken gravy and all them thing there. Mix it up and make the rice get a little bit of moisture to it and just bring in a lovely flavor and taste it. We got a lot more recipe